So we're off to the most fun thing. What is it called?
It is we're gonna blow glass and make wine glasses.
We're gonna be blowing glass to make wine glasses.
I don't know that we'll be blowing it, but it will be melting it. I think there's like
we'll be melting it.
Torches. And then we'll be like pulling it.
So yeah, so essentially making wine glasses and then drinking lots of wine out of that. That's the whole idea. Isn't that the idea? Yep. And
I think it's Zen Glass Studio.
It's called what? Zen Glass Studio?
Zen Glass Studio.
Yep, so that should be a fun exercise. At least we'll see how glass is made. And, you know, hopefully our glass will turn out to be unbreakable.
Not unbreakable. It'll be a masterpiece.
It'll be a masterpiece, yes. Unbreakable like our love. Why are you laughing like that?
Don't compare it to glass, honey. Because glass... Mad Monk. That's not it.
The Mad Monk. Kind of describing me, the Mad Monk. Look at the Mad Monk over there.
Herbal medicine.
Wow, this is kind of cool.
You have reached your destination.
So we're in South St. Pete, which is one of the most dangerous areas in the world.
Okay, I'm so confused.
It's on the right, babe.
Where?
I think it's probably this one, Zen Glass Studio. That's the one. It's right there. And here we are at the Zen Glass Studio. This is one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in the world.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You are so full of it.
Oh my God. This is more dangerous than Iraq. And already we're getting a lot of stares. She is. And this for all the nice people who don't know is the Cybertruck. This is kind of cool though. Look at that. They've got that. All right, and in we go. And let's wander into the gift shop first. What's that, babe?
We're going to be making a wine glass.
Yep, that's what we'll be making, a wine glass. Oh, this place is huge. I didn't think it'd be this big, but it's, we go in. Oh, this place is pretty huge. The art of glass. That's what we're here for. And this is, look at that. Maybe that's a hookah thing. Well, initially I wasn't very excited, but now I totally am.
Those are all people that...
Oh, these are all people who've already attended the class. And
oh, so essentially we just do the stem.
so we're just gonna make a part of the glass. Obviously, it's our first time blowing glass or doing anything like that. But let's see what the process is actually like. Wow. Okay. And our friend here. And here's something I'm really excited about is, look at that, made out of glass, the Ohm sign. Amazing. And as all the, maybe oxygen, I don't know what kind of gas that is. But they have a cool area outside over here. And Who would think that there'd be a glass factory in the heart of St. Petersburg? Cool. And there it is, as you can see. So we're going to be making the stem? Is that what we're going to be doing?
I think so. I think it's just going to be
The stem? Okay.
I think that'd be too hard to create like a round. But yeah.
Okay. So we're going to grab a top and a bottom, and then we take 3 pieces of the stuff here, of the glass there. Then we're going to melt it and then turn it into a blob, maybe like clay, and then we mold it. That's what I understood from the process that they told us. So, which one are you going to get, babe? She's choosing one for me. So here are 3 colors that I chose right here. And look at that furnace over here. Wonder how hot that is. Yep. And we've got our Terminator glasses on like this. Kind of cool. Well,
Ready, center.
So each of our colors is going to get their own handle, so we don't have to hold on to this little piece the whole time. As the tips start to glow nice and bright, we tip together. Come out, keep determining how to keep it straight-ish. Hot edge always in with us. Why do we set the hot edge away? Bingo! Who said that? I did. Little chart. And each color gets its own handle, so you don't have to use all of one color to get to your next color. Hot, nice and glowing, all the way around. But for now, just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Keep spinning. Once that tip is nice and molten all the way through, we can start any of our colors in the fire as well. And once they are both nice and glowing, we can touch together. Wobbly.
look at that.
As
He's
it starts
melting
to
that
wobble,
glass stick.
we can
And
fold it onto itself and add one of these long skinny handles to the very tip to get all that glass really nice and molten, nice and glowing. And as everything starts to get nice and glowing, you might be able to mix or swirl and make it really interesting or unique. So same, gets it all hot. Opposite, come over here and roll it out. If you don't want it round, when you get the whole thing nice and glowing again, maybe use a paddle to add some flat edges to it. Kind of cool. Is that long enough?
look at that.
Stretch
Starting to
or stretch and
kind of
twist.
mold that glass. Look
And
at
when
that.
you're happy with it, go ahead and let me know. It's a shrimp.
So we are at my station getting ready to start. Okay, so just kind of put it in the flame now?
In the back of the fire. Yours in the back is.
Oh, okay.
Slow and steady. Just focus on keeping it right in the middle. See the difference?
Yep, yep.
Nice job.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put these on this side.
Okay.
And you're gonna pick them up with your left hand. So your right hand moves to your left hand moves to the other.
Okay.
Keeping the heat on the tip.
Oh, okay.
Keeping it turning. You're in a great spot in the flame. Yes. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Right hand centers on that rod. Left hand comes over here.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Cool. Okay. And then just kind of,
Yeah, just kind of maul them together. There you go. Keep it turning. It gets it all hot. Slow. There you go. Yep. Make a method.
Oh, cool.
You can twist it, tie it in a knot like a pretzel, and you can reheat it and turn it into a ball.
What's the temperature on this flame?
3,000
3,000 Fahrenheit?
Fahrenheit.
Wow. Look at that.
You're making the middle part of that.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So now you know what you're doing. You're making the middle part of this.
With these three.
That.
Okay.
Whatever you decide. It could be that right there. You could be like, I'm done.
Yep. Okay.
Or you can keep working it until it's perfection. See that big long thing on there?
Yeah.
So instead of pulling a real long one,
So mine looked like a little dolphin, but you know, Josh to the rescue. Well, it's the artists that work here. My masterpiece is already being completed. She's trying to attain perfection, and
I'm trying.
I've got a dolphin there. I'm happy with whatever that shape is, babe. Well, and just to be around that 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, oh boy, it is hot in here. Work? Oh my God, that might be a little vulgar shape, babe. Oh, this is almost ready now. Look at that. Well, that is pretty cool. So, built my first stem. It was fun. And survived it, right, Josh? Thank you, buddy.
nice work, bro.
Well, what grade would you give me?
8+, of course.
He's a kind guy. This is trying to make, let's just say, for the sake of this thing, I was trying to make a Ganesha there. Is that, she's always so encouraging. And now it goes in that oven over there. And this is so much fun. Honestly, this is exciting. And this is a glass factory with a difference because they have a live band here. So if you want to come out here, just hang out, make some glasses, just do your thing. It's fun.
Music or no?
Huh? No, babe, it's too hot, babe. She wants to listen to some music. Okay. And we are heading up. This was fun. Thank you so much. This was so much fun. Thank you for letting me shoot the video. Appreciate that. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, it was, babe. Yep. Oh, I can remove screenshots of that and send you some pictures, babe. Oh man, that was fun.
It was fun.
That was fun, and I mean, the fact that I made a Ganesha.
My very creative husband, the artiste.
Well, I'm not an artist in it, but when it comes to performing arts, yes, I am an artiste. So, what'd you think of the wine glass making?
It was fun. I would do another class. I thought it
You
was.
would?
Yeah, but not another wine glass. I'd make like a vase or something. Be fun.
Oh wow, shoot big, huh? Aim big. Just make a vase now. Yeah.
We could get our own blowtorch at home and do our own.
Oh my God, yeah, it's so hot though. It is. It's like 3,000. I don't know if I said it earlier in the video, but it's 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But all in all, that was a fun way to spend our afternoon. And now we're headed home into